Encountering something went wrong in the Tesco app can be frustrating. This error commonly arises from connectivity hiccups, a buildup of outdated cache files, or temporary server overloads on Tesco's end, especially during peak shopping times. The first line of defense is the retry flow. The Tesco app is designed with an automatic retry mechanism that attempts to re-establish the connection or reload the content. If an initial request fails, the app will now automatically retry up to 3 times, waiting longer between attempts to avoid overwhelming the servers further. Look for an on-screen retry button to manually trigger this process. This often resolves intermittent issues like brief Wi-Fi drops or temporary server congestion. Make sure you have good internet connectivity of at least 1 Mbps before attempting to retry. If the automatic retries don't work, proceed to the next step. If retrying the action doesn't resolve the something went wrong error in the Tesco app, the next step is to clear the app's cache or data. Clearing the cache removes temporary files that might be corrupted or outdated, causing conflicts with the app's operation. On Android devices, start by opening Settings, then navigate to Apps, select Tesco, go to Storage, and tap Clear Cache. This refreshes the app without logging you out or deleting your saved preferences. If clearing the cache doesn't work, you may need to clear the app's data. This resets the app to its default state, requiring you to log back in and potentially losing some preferences. The path is similar: Settings, Apps, Tesco, Storage, Clear data. On iOS devices, you'll need to fully delete the Tesco app and then reinstall it from the App Store. This achieves the same result as clearing data on Android. Tesco has added guided prompts in recent updates to help clear cache without a full data wipe, addressing privacy concerns. Always try clearing the cache first, as it's less disruptive. Clearing data should be a last resort.